All right, we're going to continue on with this maiden. We put another battery in it. Flew for 3 minutes and almost 30 seconds. So we're going to continue on, try to get this maiden taken care of. And I mean, technically it's not the maiden still, but continue on with the flight and get her trimmed out. This wind, it makes it very hard to figure out the trim, but she's a solid little flying plane, that's for sure. All right. As soon as I step out here, that wind gets crazy.
Wow! Oh! Incredible!
Hold on. I overcorrected.
Later that same evening.
Hey, chill!
Yeah, you got to get her up on step. I'll cross in front of the camera. Good flying plane though, boy, I tell you what. See? We might have a storm coming in.
Time remaining 2 minutes.
Inverted, not a problem with this plane. So just kind of taking it easy. Oh yeah. Nice glider. Plenty of power. Yeah, you definitely want to put some stripes or markings on the underside of that wing. I suggest yellow. Yellow would have been a good color too. Yellow and green go good together.
Time remaining 1 minute.
All right, we're gonna go ahead and land her, or try to anyways. That's my landing attempt, just to see. Thing has got power to spare. I'm really just cruising around half throttle. Out of the power completely now. Just gliding her in. All right. I'm not going to do that again.
Many months later.
Get over here!
Well, I got a little bit of marring from that rough and tumble, but
Motor arm.
solid flying plane. Yeah, definitely trying just to hold her still in this wind. I tell you right now, I'm not going to fly anything else. It's just too windy. This thing's stable though, very stable even in this wind. I can't wait to bring it out on a calm day and see how she performs. All right, same thing. I put an 1800 right there, and about the only place you can put it. Flew for 3 minutes solid. Let's see where we're at now. Trying to hold this and keep the plane. I put the plane on the ground, it's going to blow away. So AR-410 is excellent. Windy day, not good. It can handle it, but I don't know if I can handle it. Okay. Man, it's windy. 42%, that's where I want to be. All right, well, I'm going to definitely can say that's a very successful two-part maiden. She flies great. Very hardy plane. It's roughed and tumbled a few times, but boy, it still wants to fly. Look at that. Well, folks, we're gonna have to get out of here. It's just too windy. This is just nuts. I don't know what I'm doing out here, but I just really wanted to fly this thing, and it is a blast. All right, well, y'all have a good, and don't forget to like and subscribe. God bless y'all. Anthony, thank you again for the plane. It's fun. All right, got it. FPV Bills and Tech. There'll be a link in the description if you'd like to buy this plane. If you buy it, you're helping a local company in the United States, and you're going to help him out. And I have an agreement with him. It's an affiliate link, but anything I make on the affiliate links, I let him keep them because he's just trying to get going. And I said, you keep my affiliate money, and he'll send me some planes once in a while. So, like this one, and it's fun. All right, y'all have a good, and God bless y'all. And don't forget, faith, family, and friends, God is good, and tough glider, jet power gliders, and extreme wind. Bye.